30 divided by 4. 4 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 4. 4 times 0, 0, 4 times 1, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 4 times 3, 12. To find out the multiplication table of 4, just add 4 with the previous step. 0 plus 4, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 4, 16. 4 goes into 3 how many times? 0 times. As 3 is less than 4. 0 times 4, 0. Subtract 3. Bring down this digit. 30. 4 goes into 30 how many times? Look. 8 times 30. 4 times 8, 32, which is greater. So 7 times. 7 times 4, 28. Yeah, 7 times 4, 28, or 4 times 7, 28. So if you subtract, then you are getting 2. So our answer is 7 remainder 2. But 07 means 7. But if you want to write your answer in decimal form, then what will happen? Just convert this whole number into decimal number. Taking a decimal point, then you can take any number of zeros. Bring down the first 0. Before this 0, there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. So 4 goes into 20 how many times? 4 goes into 25 times. 5 times 4, 20. Subtract 0. As our remainder is 0, we are done. So our answer is 7.5.